we have been talking a lot about Reader's Workshop and Writer's Workshop and how we have lots of tools that we can use if we get stuck. Remember when we talked about how we can read a book and how we can tell if it's just right or if it's too hard or if it's too easy, remember? We also have some stuff like that for math. And sometimes, can I tell you a little secret? Sometimes when I count, Mr. Furr kind of gets confused about which number goes where. I wonder if there's somewhere in our room that if Mr. Furr got a little bit nervous and couldn't remember her numbers or some of her number words or other things like that, if there was some place in the room that I could use as a tool for me. You think? Lauren, you have an idea? What could I use? I could. What could I use those up there for? What could I use those for? Ryan?
Counting.
I could use them to count because I see the numbers up there. What else could I use them for, Emmy? The number words are up there. Do you see it? There's O-N-E for the number 1. So I could use it for counting. I could use it for the number words. Can somebody else think of another reason we could use it? What are those dots?
Yeah.
What are those dots? Which are you?
You can count how many dots are in there.
So what do those dots mean? Do you know?
The number.
That's the number. The dot represents that number. So if you look on the first froggy, there's 1 dot. There's the number 1, and then they spelled it O-N-E. So if you needed some help, the first ones are probably pretty easy for you. But way down there, down where the turtles are, that's all the way 28, 29, 30. It gets a lot harder. So if you need some help with those, you could probably look down there. Great. Can somebody think of another place we could look? We talked about looking above the smartboard. Where else could we look?
You can look on there.
What's there?
Number chart.
It's a number chart. There's lots of numbers there. What could I use that one for?
Counting the days in school.
I could count, and probably more than just the days of school. That is how many days we've been in school. If I got caught on my numbers, I could probably count in there, couldn't I? Why are some of the numbers different colors? Emmy?
Some are high.
Some are high and some are low, but is there another reason why some are blue and some are red?
To count by A's.
I don't think I'm going to count by A's, but I think you're going in the right direction. I'm counting by what if I use the blue and the red numbers? Justin?
5.
5s. If I'm counting the blue and the red numbers, I'm counting by 5s. Thank you so much to Danielle, who's got her hands in her lap, and she's listening to me. Thank you, dear. The blue and the red numbers are 5s, but counting by 5s. What if I just used the red numbers?
10. Counting by 10.
I am counting by 10. So if I was going to count by 5s and 10s to 30, that chart could help me a lot, couldn't it? All right, so we talked about the chart above the smartboard that has all the dots and the number of words and the numbers. We've talked about this chart right here that can help me count by 5s and by 10s, and maybe other ways if we could think about it. Is there another way? Is there somewhere else in here that we could use for numbers? Which are you? Look around. You see some numbers somewhere else, Ryan? Where?
On the calendar.
On the calendar. That's a great place. What could I use those numbers for? Giovanni?
Our day.
The dates, right? I could tell what the date is. I could also tell the year. Guys, you did a great job. There's lots of places to look in this room if we get stuck for numbers, right? So now Mr. Ford's not going to be so worried. If she starts to count and gets a little bit confused, I know where I can look and get some help. Here's what I want you to do. In just a second, I want you to get with your partner. And I want you to go find a spot in the room. Hold on, we're not leaving yet. Find a spot in the room. Gabriel, are you listening, baby? What I want you to do is sit knee to knee, okay? And I want you to talk about all the places that we can find numbers in this room and what you can use them for. And you may be able to see some other numbers that Mr. Ford didn't even think about or that you didn't think about. Then I want you to practice counting. And how about we just count? There's been 31 days of school, so how about we try to get to 31? And you and your partner can decide how you want to count. You can count together, or you can take turns counting, however you want to do it. Okay? So get with your partner. Oh, wait. Get with your partner. How are we going to sit? Knee to knee. And I want you to, what?
Count.
I want you I want you to look for numbers first. Think about all the places that we could use numbers for tools in here. And then you can count. And we're going to count to what number?
31.
31. All right, go quiet. Find your spot, have a seat. Knee to knee, find your spot, have a seat. Find a spot, sit knee to knee. Oh, yeah. Okay, looking for numbers. We'll practice counting the numbers in the room.
So that one helps me play the games.
Using numbers, there's some dots. What are those letters next to it?
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30.
Right next to it, those are
29, 30, 35. What? David, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 21,
What goes up to 29? You see it up there on the chart? Where's 29 on the chart? 30, good. There you go. I'd like to have you help Angel count, because Angel, you haven't counted that high before, have you? Kind of nice to have a partner that can kind of help you, isn't it? Good job. Good job. You did a good job. I think this one's coming really high when you guys start playing on the table. Oh, there are numbers on the board. Good job. All right, I want you to quietly come back to the carpet. let me tell you some great things that I saw when I was walking around with your partner groups. I saw Kaden and Angel working so great together, and they counted together, and Kaden was helping Angel because Angel got a little bit confused in some of his numbers, and it worked, didn't it? You helped him out, and then Kaden got a little bit confused with his numbers, and where did you look? And you figured it out. How did that make you feel? It probably did make you happy. And then something else I saw Ryan and David. Ryan, where did you find some numbers?
The clock.
He found the clock. We didn't even talk about the clock. What do we use the clock for? Time. So the numbers on the clock are pretty important, huh? What else did I see? I saw Cole and Atreyu working so great together, and Isabella and Abigail, they were talking about the numbers above the board and how they can use it for them later on if they get stuck. You guys did a wonderful job. And now for tools, just like Reader's Workshop and Writer's Workshop, do you have some tools that you can look to for numbers? Because we've been doing a lot with numbers, haven't we? Doing a lot of counting. All right. Give yourself a big old thumbs up. Good job. Good job. All right, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to send you back to your table, and we're going to start our first art project, all right? All right, here we go. We're done. Thank you. Lauren and Giovanni, you're down here. You're building a city. Abigail and Isabella, math literature. Danielle and Emmy, yellow table. And Atreyu and Cole. Oh, wait. No, Danielle and Emmy, your back table. Sorry. Atreyu and Cole, your memory. Okay, take them out, flip them upside down. You guys remember how to do that? Good. Good. All right. Yellow group. Like Miss Marie. Yellow group. Yellow group. Yellow group. Everybody good? It is a circle. Can we see circle? A circle, and circle is round. I'm going to give you a circle. Give you a circle. Give you a circle. Give you a circle. All right, let's see a large circle. Give a circle around the outsides. Okay, that's round. Can you say round? Circles are round. Circles are round. Yes, we do, and he's got a blue one too. But right now, all I want you to know is that this is called a circle. What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? It's a circle, and this is a kind of shape. It's a circle. A circle. Give your circle back first. Here. Circle. Circle. And I'm going to show you some things that are circle. Okay, see the circle? What is a circle? What is it? It is a CD. It is a CD. You can watch it. You can watch music. You can watch movies. Right? But it's the shape of a circle. It's a circle. What is that? That is a ball. That's a basketball. What shape is it? It's a circle. What is that? It's going to look like M&M's. They're watermelon. Can you say that for me? Watermelon. And they cut it in the shape of a circle. A circle. This is a heart. This is a window. A window. It is a circle, Angel. Window. Do you see it? Window. What's that? It does kind of look like a ball. It is a circle. is a tire. Tire. The tire is like a circle. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. It is a circle. It's on the floor. Yes, it's a design on the floor. And it's the shape of a circle. It is a circle. What is that? That's a pie. That's a pie. Pie is the shape of a circle. And this is a square, but what are the things on them? Well, they look kind of like cookies. They're crackers. Crackers, and the crackers are a circle. So all of these are shaped like what? Circles. Good. Here's what I want you to do. Mrs. Ford is going to give you an eraser, and she's going to give you a dry erase board, and I want you to draw what? Circles. I want you to draw me some circles. Can you do that for me? Just want you to practice drawing circles. Circles. Okay? Draw circles for me. Put these back up front. Circles. Circles. Good job. Just draw a bunch of circles. Circles. Okay? Good job. Circles. I see circles.
Awesome. That's helpful.
Let me see your circles.
Ooh, I got circles. I win. Yeah. Oh, 5 circles. I win.
Okay, guys did one. We got number 4. So 4 is the highest in this group because they have 1 6. You're going, you're doing 3.
5. So when 5 got 1.
Okay, go ahead, Debbie.
What shape is that?
Now spin it and see how your next number if you want to spin it. No, hold it. Now you would have gotten the 6.
Oh man, the 5 articles, that's the way we're going to got that.
Okay.
Oh no. You got 2 more. I actually got 3 more.
You got a 6 too, Victor?
This ring. Yeah, look up at the top. Oh, but I got 3. Let's see it. 3 guys. 1 more. 1 and 2.
Alright.
Where'd you do?
Oh, that's 8.
I'm going to put some shapes out here in front of you. And I want this to sort. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out all the circles. Can we do that? Can you help me do it? What shape are we looking for? Circles. We're just looking for circles. So Mr. Ford's going to put these out. Look at all these. Okay, hold on. I'll take turns. I want you to help me find the circles. Can you do that? All right. David, can you find a circle? Where's the circle? Good, I'm going to move that over here. Okay. Dahlia, can you find a circle? Good job. Put him over here. See what Mr. Ford's doing? Alejandra, can you find a circle?
I got 2 more.
Good job. Slide him over here. David. Angel, can you find me a circle? I'm going to slide that over here. All right, David. Can you find a circle? I'm going to put it. Good job. All right, Dahlia, can you find a circle?
This is 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alejandra, can you find a circle?
Here you go.
No more circles. So we got circles over here, and these are not circles. Okay. Circles. Not circles. Circles. Not circles. They're not like a circle.
No, you can't. I really wonder what it's getting
Here's what I need you to do. I need you to make sure that your area is nice and neat for the next people coming through. Do not leave your area. Stay right there. Just clean it up for me. Now with your circle, you can finish cleaning. Sit down. You're going to go Galilea. How was it going to take it away from you? You and Galilea are going to go to the map. You're going to build a city. Okay? And David and Honda, you are going to go to math literature. Okay? And where are you going? Angel, do you know where you're going, sweetheart? Galilea, you know where you're going? You're going to go build a city. Okay? And David, you know where you're going? You're going to go to math literature. Okay? You're going to read a book. Okay? How was your circle? Did it taste good? Yeah? All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes? All right. Go ahead and switch to your next group for me. Danielle. Just a little bit more. Back up. Deacon, why don't you come on over here, sweetheart? Lauren, sweetheart. What color group are you in? The green group. What is the green group? The mix? Right? Don't you go to Miss Lorraine after you came out? Go to Miss Lorraine. Yeah. Angel, Galilea, look at Danielle. She's going to help you. Angel, go over by Danielle. She's going to help you. She's over here too. We're going to start talking about shapes. Did you say shapes? Shapes. And you guys are really good at shapes, so we're going to just do a real fast looking at shapes. And I'm going to let you get with your partner and see some shapes. Okay? I'll put them in different groups by shapes. And then you can do it by colors when it's the way you want to do it. Okay? Is that a circle? Everybody agree? Each of a circle?
Like this is how much?
Triangle. This is a triangle. And see these things right here? Those are called sides. Say that for me? Sides. So there's a side here, there's a side here, and there's a side here. There's some other fancy words and of course we'll teach you those later, but for right now I just want you to call them sides. Okay? So we've got sides. And these right here, these little pointy things, they're called corners. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 sides, and 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay? This is a triangle. Alright, so we've done the circle, we've done the triangle. What shape is it? It is a square. How many sides does a square have? Four. So it has how many more sides than a triangle? 4. It has 4 more sides than a triangle? How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it has 3 sides. And many sides? 4. So how many more sides? Let's put up 4 more. Can you put up your 3 for me? Put up your 3. There you go. That's for your triangle. How many more sides do you need to get to 4? So how many more sides does the square have in a triangle? You got it. 1 more side. Okay, so square has 4 sides. Which corners does that have? Got 1 now. This is a rectangle, and it looks like a flat square, doesn't it? Somebody sat on it. So it's got 2 sides that look really long, and it has 2 sides that are smaller. But it still has how many sides? 4. It has 4 sides, and how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this rectangle for me. And look at this rectangle. What is different about these rectangles? Okay, well, they're both flat. They're both flat shapes. But what do you see? This one's right. You're right. Okay, can anybody help her with the word? She's on the right track. It does kind of look mush, doesn't it? This one's skinny. Right? It's thin. Can you say that word for me? Thin. Thin. Stick that tongue out. Thin. Thin. This one is thick. Thick. How many of you have had a piece of pizza? And sometimes it's really thin, and sometimes it's thick. It depends on the type of crust that your pizza has. Okay? So you got thin, you've got thick. So this one is what? This one's what? Thick. And this one is thin. So that's one way that they're different. What's another way that these are different? They're different colors. So we've got different colors, and they're different thicknesses. So this one's thick, and this one is thin. Thin. Thick, thin. Here's what you're going to do. The sweet one has your daddy. She's going to put you in your partner groups here. She wants you to take your shapes and put them into groups by different by color. You may put it on size. You may put it on version. You may want to put on your squares, on your circles. Okay? So I'm going to give you 2 of that. I'm going to slide over that way a little bit. And I want you to put them into groups first by their shape. Do that for me? Put them into groups by their shape. If you don't understand, watch Mr. Ford. She'll show you real quick. If I have a pile of shapes that look like this, okay, Mr. Ford is going to put circle, right? And these are all circles, even though they're different sizes. And we've got rectangles, and we've got squares. There you go. Madison, are you helping? You're not sitting on top of Gabriel. Deacon, you going to help her? Got circles. Help her. Put them into groups. There you go. What is going here? But what shape is it? It's a triangle. So let's start with just the shape groups first. Okay, these are going to be triangles. So make a triangle first. There you go. Right? Where are you going to put that? Is there a triangle group? So where are you going to put it? There you go, buddy. I didn't get to see it. Now you have to do it again. I didn't get to see it. Now we're going to stop. We're going to let Miss Maddie put this on. because Ryan did it doesn't mean it's right. It's just one way to do it. If he wants to stick them next to each other, he can do that too. He's still putting them in groups. It's just a different way to do it. That's the neat thing about math. You put a bunch of different ways. Okay. Empty? Good job. Did we sort them? Good. All right, you sorted them by what? By shapes. Good, Miss Maddie. All right, now, I want you to mix them all up. And this time I want you to sort them by color. Can you sort them by color for me?
Yellow.
We're looking for color, so it doesn't matter what shape it is. If it's blue, it's going to go in the blue pile, no matter what shape it is. Okay? Put it in the blue pile. Good job. Good job. All right, we sorted it by shape. We sorted it by colors. Another way we can sort it. You need a hint? What do you call that? This is what? Thick and thin. Sort them by thick and thin. Thick and thin.
It's grade 11.
It's time.
10, 11, 12. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't he have 5? No 5. What's that?
Get it ready for the next person or the next people. Don't switch yet. Angel, please leave it down there. There's one more group. Angel, leave it down there with Danielle. Danielle, can you switch that to the yellow one for me? You got the yellow one up here. All right. I'm getting Gabriel in just a minute. You're going to go to the yellow table. You're going to play the memory game. Is that it? Gabriel, be listening. You and Dee going to go to the yellow table. Caitlin, you and Ryan are going to go to the back. Okay. Justin, you and Madison are going to go to math literature. And Gabby, you and Kaden are going to go down and build a city. Okay? All right, is everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right. Red group, go to Miss Lorraine. Go ahead and switch. David, Alejandro, go to Miss Lorraine. Galilea, go to Miss Lorraine, baby. Green group, come on down here. Green group. Danielle. They're good. They know what to do. Come on. Thank you. All right. Here's what we're going to do. More spots. Yeah, let's see everybody's little faces. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to talk a little bit about and you guys know what they are. I'm going to go through them real quick and how you sort them out for me. And we're also going to work with one that we haven't usually worked on. Okay? So let's start with E.
Circle first.
What can you tell me about a circle?
It's round.
It's round. Can you tell me anything else about a circle?
Okay, ready? Okay, start.
A pizza is shaped like a circle. It sure is. It can be any color it wants to be.
It doesn't have any colors.
It does not have any corners.
It's shaped like a cookie.
So I would eat this, but yes, it is shaped like a cookie. It is shaped like a box. It probably wouldn't bounce very well, but yes, it is shaped like a ball. Brown cheese from home, like the cheese at cheese at top. All right. So this is a what? Oh, it looks like a hamburger patty. Yep. All right. There's lots of great ideas. It does look like a wheel. All right. So what shape is this? This is a circle. All right. Let's look at this guy. What is this?
Square.
It is a square. What can you tell me about a square, Lauren?
It doesn't have any.
It sure doesn't look like a circle. What can we do with it? To make it different. It doesn't look like a circle. Why does it look not like a circle? It does have corners. How many corners does it have? It does. It has 4 corners. What else will try you? It's shaped like a TV. A square cookie. It is shaped like a box. Like a window.
It's like a Cheez-It.
It does look like a Cheez-It. Mr. Ford likes Cheez-Its. It does. It could look like a book. We talked about 4 corners. What else does it have? It has 4 sides. This is what shape? This is a square. Good. All right, let's pull out this one. It does kind of look like a square, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Except these make it look a little bit different. So close it. This is a rectangle. Can you say that for me? Rectangle. What can you tell me about a rectangle? It does kind of look like those. Does look like something that's a rectangle. It does. It could look like a TV, a different kind of TV, but yes, they both could. Does this one have as many sides and corners as the square?
2.
Let's count them and see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? It has 4 sides and 4 corners, just like a square. They look a lot different than the circle. It does look kind of like a cracker. A rectangle pizza. All right, we got another shape coming. This is a what? This is a triangle. It says triangle. What can you tell me about a triangle?
Oh, 0.
What can you tell me about a triangle? Like a piece of pizza. Oh, it does. How many?
No, that's
3. It has 3 corners. It looks like a what? Oh, 3.
a 0. See, I picked that.
It could. Let's go back to the corners. We got 3 corners and 2 sides.
Aw. Dang it.
3 corners. 1,
Close.
3 sides. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Rectangles sometimes have 4 sides and 4 corners. And Mr. Circle has no sides.
Stop it.
Okay, he's real. Alright, so we did this.
Two again.
Octagon has 8 sides. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
This only has 6, so it's not an octagon.
Well, you got 2.
This is called a hexagon. A hexagon.
Wow, I got the most.
5, 6. So it has 6 sides and 6 corners, and this is called what? Hexagon. Can you say that again? Hexagon. What is this, Isabella? Hexagon. different about these two hexagons? Giovanni? They are the same, but what's different? What's different, Indy? They're not the same color. One is blue and one is yellow. What else is different about them? Well, they're both flat. These are both flat shapes. These are called 2D shapes. Can you say that? 2D. That means they are flat shapes. They're going to be flat, but there's something different about the flat shapes. This one's what? It is a little bit bigger, and when we're talking about that, we're talking thick. Thick. Kind of like your pizza. Some crusts are going to be thick. That means they have a lot of bread on it. And some are going to be thin, which means there's not much bread to it. Okay? So thick, thin. Everybody see the difference? Thick, thin, thick, thin. Here's what you're going to do. Mr. Ford is going to give you a bag of shapes. She wants you to get with a partner. So you two are going to be a partner. You two are going to be a partner. No, probably going to be with Andy. You two are going to be a partner, and you two are going to be a partner. And I'm going to give you a bag of shapes. I want you to sort them, first of all, by their shape. Okay? I don't care about their thickness, if they're thick or thin, or what color they are. I just want them all to be the same shape. Got it? So you get this shape. You get these. Slide back there. You got some room. Do some shapes for you, and do some shapes for you. Girls, can you slide back just a little bit?
Okay, my turn. Oh yeah, I know.
Hexagon. Hayden, you need to calm down. Deacon.
Yep, you're about 5'2". Watch this thing. You cannot make an A, you can make an L. Watch. You can make a big L like this. You have a ruler for that. Oh, you already got it.
I need you to clean everything up for me, get it back in its right home. Okay, you guys don't get all your stuff. It's home. It's home. Not your home. It's not time to go home. They're home. Maddie, you don't slide down the street. There you go. Go ahead and go back to your seats when you're finished. We'll get your name tag. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, let's see if I can. Kaden and Gabby. Okay. You forgot to do something.